Alright, I'm gonna get it best as I can. Just so you guys can see him as best as you can. I love that he has his tail. He or she, I don't know, obviously, it's too young, but freaking love this guy. I think he is so cool. Great colors. I'm surprised he's letting me do this. He never lets me get him on camera like this. It's all calm and up close. I can't wait to get more. I think eventually I actually want to try breeding these guys, which will be an entire series on its own. Breeding and everything. So, yeah.